Surds, simplify by rationalizing the denominator. 2 root 3 divided by root 3 plus root 2. So let's go to the solution. Now we shall begin by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Now the conjugate of the denominator will be root 3 minus root 2. The conjugate is the denominator with the sign changed. So if the sign was positive, it becomes negative. That is the conjugate. Now since the denominator is root 3 plus root 2, therefore the conjugate will be root 3 minus root 2. So that is the conjugate. So we need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by that conjugate. So I write the fraction again. So 2 root 3 divided by root 3 plus root 2. So we multiply both the numerator and the denominator. So the numerator root 3 minus root 2, then the denominator the same. So let's begin with working out the numerator. So we just need to open the brackets by multiplying everything by 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 multiplied by, we're opening the brackets, multiplied by root 3 minus 2 root 3 times root of 2. So when we multiply this is what you get. 2 root 3 times root 3 will get 2. Root 3 times root 3 will be 3. Minus 2 times root 6. Root 3 times root 2 will be root 6. So this gives 6, subtract 2 root 6. 2 times root 6, you get 2 root 6. And that is the simplest way you can leave the numerator. So let's go to the denominator as well. So now looking at the denominator, you realize something. So let us write it. Root 3 plus root 2 into brackets root 3 minus root 2. So looking at this, you notice that this represents a difference of 2 squares. Difference of 2 squares. Now how do you work difference of 2 squares? Just recall, there is something that I want us to use here to understand this, or just to recall. So recall, if you have let's say a plus b, a minus b, and you're required to expand that, this is what you get. When you expand that, you get a squared minus b squared. Now I want us to relate that to whatever we have and see how it will be. So in this case, a will be root 3 and b will be root 2. So root 3 plus root 2, we're just comparing directly. So if we go by this, where a is root 3, so that will be root 3 squared minus root 2 squared. And what is root 3 squared? It is 3. Root 2 squared is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So the whole denominator simplifies to 1. Now, with that, we be able now to get the solution for the question. The numerator was 6 minus 2 root 6. 6 minus 2 root 6. Root 6. And then divided by 1. And this is 6 minus 2 root 6 as the solution. And that is how you're supposed to work out this question on Surds.